God loves me, I love myself, and the best way for me to show God I love Him is by loving the people around me. I am Luke Thomas Keys, God made, Kentucky raised, and Alpha Phi Alpha developed. This is a conversation, not a speech. My hope is that from our conversation, we recognize our communal possibilities. 3 thought-provoking questions will be asked. Please, welcome me into your home and your heart. My first question: what is on your mind, heart, and soul in this very moment? Having good intentions and acting on emotions rather than truth has a negative impact. Having good intentions and doing nothing has a negative impact. Having good intentions but lacking the humility to consider the full spectrum of how people perceive your actions has a negative impact.
Where do we go from here, chaos or community?
Community. Our communal mindset will create our collective destiny. Our thoughts create our mindset. Our words are communicating our thoughts. Our actions are spoken into existence. Our habits are a result of the sum of our actions. Our character is built from these habits. Our destiny is a result of our character. Therefore, we must think intentionally about the marginalized in our communities. We must require accountability from the purveyors of oppression. Just like this conversation, true community starts with you and me. But it is not possible without we, us, ours, together. These are things that last forever. This final question is set as a daily reminder in my phone. And Grandma, if you're watching this, you can just write it down in your notebook. This is one of life's most persistent and urgent questions. What are you doing for others? This will help you develop a community-first mindset. Day after day, your answer will become our destiny.
Social justice and progress are the absolute guarantors of riot prevention. There is no other answer. Constructive social change will bring certain tranquility. Evasions will merely encourage turmoil. Negroes hold only one key to the double lock of peaceful change. The other is in the hands of the white community.